Nakakainis talaga, hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos sa labas kasi naman lahat sila nanonood.
Hi, can I please get
Magtatagalog na lang ako kasi ang hirap video. Dami nila judge.
First stop, Beat Street.
So, GD, nakapajama lang ako kasi napadaan lang talaga.
Mukha talaga akong bagong gising. I don't know what to do with my hair.
Dito ako sa Strand Orchid and this is for brands that I haven't heard of. Mahal kasi kaya hindi ko mabibili. Eh, hindi ako pumunta dito.
This is the Queen Victoria building. Outside the QVB, you can actually see other artists such as this one and sometimes musicians too, and homeless people.
So I'm in Town Hall and Town Hall is the main station here. It's like Ayala Avenue. Pretty much you can walk 20 to 30 minutes away. Nakakainis talaga, hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos sa labas kasi naman lahat sila nanonood. Ano ba naman yan? First time ba nila makakita ng nag-vlog? Alright, so I'm gonna walk now and go. 2 years na ako dito pero hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog about Sydney in general. So, I'm gonna give you a tour of how it looks like. I hope that you enjoy kasi nagsastruggle ako ngayon. Share ko lang yung KFC nila dito. Walang rice, tapos walang gravy. So, para siyang hindi KFC for me. Yung bread top nila parang bread milk. Iniiba lang talaga yung terms. Tapos, si Hungry Jack's. Siya yung Burger King. Winter pa rin, pero pag daytime, okay lang. Tolerable yung weather at 17 degrees. So, para lang siyang nasa aircon. Milk tea is live. That's really cool. Thank you. You know what they say, when God created the world, the rest was made in China. This is actually my favorite shopping place kasi lahat makikita mo dito. Para siyang market or Changi, Divisoria. So, kung bibili ka ng souvenirs, dito ko pumunta, Paddy's Market. Ayan o, dami. Like wallets, keychain, cut-on, rulers, ref magnets. Super mura lang niya. O, boomerang, cups. Tapos dito pala, kailangan cash. So, dapat may cash ka. Usually kasi hindi ako nagdadala ng cash kasi puro card ang payments. Supreme jackets. They call it jumper. Jacket ako ng jacket dati or sweater, pero jumper pala yan. Kangaroo, towels. Random shit, soaps, and stockings. Ay, bibili ako nito. Pak na pa. May food din sila, like pika-pika. Aww. Hi! Super weird yung mga tao dito. Parang ako, so... Meron silang Chinese Garden of Friendship. Ito siya. Merong entrance yata $10. I'm not sure. Pero syempre, hindi tayo papasok. Wala tayong pera. Super uso yung public parks dito. Like, sa atin, big deal na kapag may maliit na park dito. Ay, very normal.
We just arrived at Darling Harbour. There are a lot of people on this day because there was a boat show. Plus, it's a Sunday.
I repeat, don't do this at home, okay? Do it at school. I'm joking, don't do it.
have our lunch. Hindi pa ako kumakain. And kakain ako sa workplace ko para may discount. Makiki-charge na rin kasi lobat yung GoPro. No. Yeah, I'm just eating. back after my lunch and dinner. Wow, the birds are crazy. I'm going to Barangaroo. So here you can see the wildlife Sydney Zoo, Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, and also the sea life. Next time na tayo papasok kasi medyo mahal. Pilipinas, mayroong Uber and taxi and other transpo by land. Dito pwedeng water taxis. Madali na ako maglakad kasi 4 o'clock na, tapos dumidilim na, as you can see, and lumalamig na siya. Super ganda! I think they're reconstructing this one because here, fake lang talaga siya. Para siyang poster. Well, poster talaga siya. Effort fairness. Intramuros. So dito, actually smoking area ko lang siya. Hanap lang ako ng spot na okay. Okay, dito na lang tayo. Naka-jacket na ako kasi lumamig. Pero crop top is life. Anyway, we're here now and you see the Harbour Bridge and the Opera House somewhere there. And we're just gonna walk all the way. Jogging tayo. Tignan ko nga kung gaano ka-stable si GoPro. Okay, pagod na ako. This is nice. Umalis. Charot. Ayoko na mag-picture. Kailangan ko talaga ng kasama pag mag-vlog. Namatay yung GoPro, so okay, balik phone vlog. Masyadong kuripot yung lola nyo, ayaw bumili ng battery. So kung meron kayong spare battery, baka naman pwede, baka naman. And best time to visit for me, it would be summer. Ang summer here from December to February. Better kasi, well, best actually, kasi makakapag-swimming ka pa. Kasi kahit summer, malamig yung tubig nila. For me, hindi ko carry. So, sunbathing lang, ganyan, laro sa sand. That's the end of my tour. I hope you enjoyed. Hindi na ako nakapunta sa Botanical Garden and Hyde Park. Actually, kasama siya sa itinerary ko. Yeah, hirap lang mag-video. Super low light. Tapos, sobrang in-adjust ko na yung brightness. So, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed and bye!